This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Josh Parnell.
Don't miss this light-filled, move-in ready unit that has it all.
Prime location just 3 blocks from the ocean, boardwalk and a ton of great restaurants and shopping.
Open floor plan ideal for entertaining with a large covered deck, 2 en suites, 2.5 baths, walk-in closets, stunning finishes throughout with nicely appointed kitchen with large eat-at island, beautiful hardwood floors and plantation shutters.
2 assigned parking spots, 1 covered, private owner's closet, elevator, security code entrance, and so much more. This condo is beach living at its finest. Condo fee includes water, sewer, gas, range and fireplace, cable/internet, trash/recycling, and master insurance policy. For more information, review the details below.